One is dark blue, the other one is crystal blue. Oh, you have two colors? They said if you have two colors in your eyes, then you are being reincarnated. You know? If your two eyes is not the same color, then your soul is from being reincarnated from the past. You know? You're already born in the past. You know, you are someone personality in the past. You know, I've seen a movie like that. Well, Graham here, he said that he's just going to make some coffee to go to bed as jet lag starting to catch up with him. So, ngayon pa ni Sir Gray, nafe-feel yung jet lag niya. He have two different blue eyes. Oh, really? Yeah, they said that is why you're unique. Okay? Because you have two different shade of blue eyes. The other one is deep blue and the other one is light. 5'6" ka na po, kay 5'5" ko. Ha? Tangkad. Kasi tangkad na today, pariha naman ta. Nang hawin na akong paaday. Nang hawin na akong paa, muna inanin na akong posisyon. You know ko, Lord, nang hawin na akong mga paa, Lord. Nakita akong kuhan, balat, tanawa kay karoon. Muna inanin na, I'm trying to stretch my body. Kulang na lang mga plus ako diri sa tubangan ninyo, day. Mga plus ako karon to, nangita na ko ka plus diri, kay sakit na akong likod. Yeah, I think that is why everyone stares at me in PH. Yeah, because you're very unique, Sir Gray. Yeah. That's why everybody's staring at your eyes, baby, because it's very rare to have you know, it's very rare to a person with two different shade of eyes, just like the animals, right? And then yeah, it's very rare for a person to have two different shade of eyes, just like yours. The other one is dark and the other one is light blue. So of course, people will be curious if they will see you. You know, they will be curious, like they will be running a lot of question mark in their head when they look at your eyes, especially when it's not paired together. You know, even me, if I see you, I will be staring at you. I will be staring in you. I will be staring at you. Parang ayoko na lang ayoko na mag-end sa live kasi yung viewers natin ba. One is dark blue and the other one is crystal blue. Yeah, I can say it's two different shades. The other one is lighter. And that is very unique. Yeah. I think I see. Okay, 50% pa yung battery ko. So, 2:45, I still have 15 minutes. So, mag-end ako sa live siguro mga 3 p.m. So, at least napakoy 1 hour to take a nap. And then, 4:30, Franco and Jolo will arrive here. So, yan. I think that is why everyone stares at me in PH. Yeah, everybody will stare at you everywhere. It's not just in Philippines. You know, it's not just in Philippines. But at least there are two different shades of blue. At least it's not red. At least it's not red, diba? Passengers have red eyes after our flights, but I have blue. Passengers have red eyes. Tuyang, gitawag ka. Kaon na lang ako na yung ipit na pang Mickey Mouse, be. Ugma na na. Do you love your hair? Of course. Ganyan lang yung ano ko bukas.
Ay, sama.
Tingnan mo sa salamin. Victoria. Say hi muna sa live natin.
Hi.